Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Nurie Creator from start to finish, including creating your interior, creating your book cover, everything you need to have this passive earner up on Amazon KDP as soon as you can. Okay, so I have, for example, a niche I want to focus on. Let's go with a singular niche, okay? But the important thing is I want to do the work now, and I want the Nurie Creator, I want the AI to send me the work directly to my email. So I'm going to go with Q Generator, okay? This is going to queue my work, okay? Now what I want to do here is main character description. I'm going to put in flower, okay? Flowers, right? And for an art style, situation is optional. It's perfectly fine that we don't use one. Actually, we can put garden, okay? And here for art style, I'm going to go with bohemian minimalist. So it's boho minimalist. And I want to add prompt to list like that. And I'm going to choose background. And I want to go with a 8.5 by 8.5. That's a popular coloring book trim size for Amazon KDP, whereas 8.5 by 8.5. There it is, like that. And I get to choose a number of pages I want. Okay, so I'm going to go up to, well, let's go up to 50. Let's click Queue Task. So after about waiting 30 to 45 minutes, you get an email just like this one. You click on view your images and you'll be taken to your order. Okay, everything's done for you. As you can see, here are the images. Just pick the ones that look nice. For every prompt, we provide 4 images. Why? Because the AI sometimes will get it wrong. So you do want to pick the best out of the lot. Okay, and if you want to, for example, view the images at a higher scale, just click larger preview to see what you got. Okay, now this has some gray behind it, so I'm not gonna choose this one. This, however, looks great, so I'm gonna choose this one here, and I'm gonna just click add, just like that. I'm gonna go with I'm gonna skip those. I'm gonna go with one of these. Actually, I like a lot of these. And after I selected all of my images, I'm gonna go to the Speedy Book Exporter right here. This will format my book for Amazon KDP. Now this is a book of 70 pages. What I also want to do, you want to add your title page and test color page. Really important. So I'm going to scroll down here and put enable title page and copyright page with test color page. That's going to create my title page right here. Just like that. What I want to do now is add my title page. So I'm going to scroll to the top, and then I'm going to add my title. You want to be exact, right? You want to use the exact title you use for your book. So let's go with boho flowers, just like that, boho flowers. And if you want to use your pen name, by all means, let's go with your pen name, John Smith. Okay, like that, John Smith. And you can see it's going to populate this area right here. Okay. You can also add, which is really cool, you can add text under the images to increase value. Okay. That's going to give your customer an added value bonus where they can actually color the letters under the coloring pages. So let's put in boho sunset like that. And it's going to add is going to add the text here. If you want to increase the font size, you can do that right here. Let's go up to 35. Let's go up to 40. Okay, like that. Really nice. Boho sunset. If you want to change the font, I'm going to keep it as is, as Aoboshi. But if you want, you can change it to we have an assortment of different coloring book fonts that you can use. All commercial, all for commercial use. Let's call this one boho garden, and just come up with a bunch of names for each one. Okay. For example's sake, I'm going to leave it at that. And then once you're done, you're going to click generate PDF, just like that. And it's going to create your PDF for you. Now here's a finished product. Really good stuff. Check this out. I got my copyright page and title page, boho flowers, boho sunset. I got my test color page right here. And, I got my complete book, coloring book for the boho flowers niche. Now, the cool thing is, what you want to do also is you want to download some of these images so you can use on your book cover, which we're going to create right now. But first thing you want to do is download some of your book cover images. So what you want to do is enable PNG export like that. And you're going to see this PNG option pop up. Let's just download some of these. Let's download that. And we're going to also download this one here and download this one here, just like that. Now it's time to create our book cover. This is the most important step. Why? Because this is how people are going to decide to click on our offering, on our listing, right? Really important. And it's very simple with Nurie Creator. All you want to do is click on the book cover generator, and you want to go to the trim size that you're using. In our case, 8.5 by 8.5. You want to list the number of pages in your book. In our example, it's 70, right? 35 coloring pages and 35 blank pages, okay? Don't worry about the cover color because we're going to let the AI do all the work. As for cover title, I want to name it Boho Flowers. That's like that. I want to make the title color red, like that. And this is really important, okay? Very simple, but very important. I'm going to put in the art style, Bohemian. Okay, Bohemian. We're going to put, I don't know how to spell it, Bohemian Flowers. Click Generate, okay? Perfect, okay? So we have Boho Flowers. That's our title. If you want to add more, you can use this manual version right up here. I'm going to click Add Text. I'm going to go with something more standard like Poppins. And as you can see, I can write in my own title font. I'm going to put in coloring book like that. Okay, I'm going to stretch this out just a little bit like that. Maybe thicken the lines. Okay, just a little bit more like that. And bring it down to the bottom like that. Okay, very good. So now we have Boho Flowers coloring book. We're not done. I want to add some more text. And then I'm going to bring this to the back cover, okay? And the back cover is very standard. I want you to put in a tagline and put 2 or 3 images of your interior. I'm going to show you right now. So I'm going to put in my my tagline, color these beautiful boho flowers. Okay, let's spell that correctly. Flowers, cool. Let's stretch this out. And it's too big, so I'm gonna bring it down the size to, let's go to 22. Maybe stretch it out some more. And let's reduce the thickness line. Very good, like that. Center that. As you can see, our book cover generator has a centering feature that lets you know where you are. Now we need to add some images. Okay, I'm going to scroll down here, click Upload Image, and I'm going to add. Let me add one at a time. Okay, it's too big, right? So we're going to take a corner and bring it down just a notch. That's still too big because we have to bring in one more image at least, like that. And let's upload another one. Let's upload this one here. And I'm going to make sure that these two match up in size by just making sure that they align like that. And I'm going to bring this over to the right side here. And let's increase it from here. Let's go a little bit bigger on this. Let's go a little bit bigger with this. And let's make sure that they align just like that. Bring it over to the side here. And we're done, okay? Now all you got to do is generate PDF and you got your book cover, okay? Now we created our interior. We created our book cover. All we got to do now is go to Amazon KDP, and publish our book. Very simple, very easy. Okay. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.